My decision to accept the nomination and run under UBGP is deeply rooted in my lifelong commitment to the Bangsamoro cause and the continuing struggle for justice, peace, and self-determination in our homeland. This is not merely a political ambition. It is a continuation of our collective struggle as a people. The journey of the Bangsamoro has been marked by decades of sacrifice. Our people have endured countless hardship, displacement, injustice, and even martyrdom in pursuit of dignified peace. The blood, sweat, and tears shed by the generation before us have brought us to this critical point in our history.